So if you're looking for the best Cuban in Florida, I think we found it. Maybe right here in Plant City at the Strawberry Hut. Let's go check it out together right now. You're looking for the best Cuban, not person, sandwich? All right, here we are at the Strawberry Hut in Plant City, Florida, where they have the best Cuban sandwiches. The sign says so, the best, world's best Cuban, voted best Cuban sandwich 10 years in a row. Here it is. This is called the Turkey Cuban, okay? It's not a conventional Cuban, little variations, but it is the same idea. You get the pressed bread, and you get inside. Let's go inside and see what's inside here. You got the chopped up lettuce, you got some mayo, you got some tomatoes, mustard, and turkey. That's why it's called the Turkey Cuban. Now, if you were to get a conventional Cuban, it would have, I believe, ham and perhaps salami. I'm not sure. It would have ham and some other stuff. Anyway, let's give this thing a try. It smells good. This place is really cute. It's in the middle of nowhere here. Anyway, all right, let's give it a try. Also, we'll have a little trivia about this place and about other things too. Just keep it interesting. The first thing you notice is the bread. It's pressed. What does that mean? They usually butter it on both sides, and they put this in big giant press and go smush it down a little bit. And the bread is buttered, it's seasoned, and it's good. In case you're wondering what kind of cheese it is, the holes gave it away. It's Swiss cheese, baby. Now, the cheese didn't really melt on the inside. I've had the Turkey Cubans and the cheese is a little more melty and a little more of it. This is kind of a little thin piece of cheese. The bread is soft on the inside, crusty on the outside, exactly the way a Cuban should taste. Try no pickle. Pass me the pickle, please. All the people working here are super friendly. Can't really eat inside. It's kind of like a takeout place, but they have covered seating. On the outside, there's a couple of picnic tables out there. All right, let's get into 5 surprising fun facts about the Strawberry Hut here. Number 5, the setting is quintessential Florida. Roadside Florida walk-up joint. You got your picnic tables, the takeout counter. Very nostalgic. No frills. They bought this building in 1993. Number 2, they've been voted the best Cuban Number two, they've been voted the best Cuban for at least 10 years. And number 1, their bread is delivered fresh from a bakery daily. Expected to be messy. You got all kinds of sauces, you know, mayo and schmutz dripping out of here. The bread is flaky, so it's gonna fly crumbs everywhere. But that's what it is. It's battle here. It's battle between you and the Cuban. All right, how am I gonna rate this? It's pretty good. It's not the best, to be honest with you. I've had much better. What makes a better Cuban to me is coating it with garlic butter. Coating it with garlic butter, the real piece of garlic in there, that changes the whole scene. I've had one of those before, and that I can't think of anything else. I'm looking for something comparable to that. This is not it, but this is good. It's not bad. It's a good Cuban. It's fresh, family friendly. It's good. It's inexpensive. Something like this is about $4.50. What can you get for $4.50 now? Nothing. Anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, I'm going to give it a 7.1. It's a decent Turkey Cuban sandwich. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We've got more to do, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now, and we'll see you on the next Sunny Reviews. Hope you have a sunny day, as it's raining on me. Later, Gators.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun reviews.